Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will write 10 lines on topic value of time. Let's get started. Time has great importance in our life. Once time passes, it never comes back. We should always make good use of our time. Time leaves him far behind who does not value it. In student life, we must use our time very intelligently. With the right use of time, we can create a good future. On the other hand, if we waste time, then time gives us worst result. People who are successful in life understand the value of time very well. Time is the key to unlock the doors of our great destiny. All of us students must understand the importance of time and make proper use of every moment. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.